Namaste. So Kashvi this side. The thing is, I'm going to give my NEET 2025 examination tomorrow on 4th of May 2025. And right now it's being 11:50 p.m. of 3rd of May. Surprising, isn't it? Like how the hell, where the hell, how and where did all that time in the world flew away just in a few days? Like it's so it's so surreal, to be honest. And for me, I made a perfect plan, as I call it. I will be giving my 12th examination by the end of March, and I have a big gap between my two papers. So I decided I will be revising my 12th between that gap in the March, and then doing my 11th in the April, and then just combine them in the last 3 days of May, like the 1 to 3. And on 4th, I will be just giving my exam, and I would probably crack it.
सारी उम्र मैं जो कर जा बड़े आ रहा
So dumb, because I have no idea where the hell all that months flew away, all that days flew away, and currently it's the end. It's the 3rd of May. I have no idea what I am doing, to be honest. So, despite that fact, I'm going to give my examination tomorrow confidently. After all, my mother didn't raise a fool. She didn't raise a stupid bitch. No, no, mommy, you didn't raise such a stupid bitch or something. I don't know what she raised, but my mother didn't raise me a fool or a stupid bitch. But my peers, my peers, they are so good at everything. My god, like touch wood, they are so good. I know of few of them have already given all India level of competitive exams, and they're just too much good at this thing that I know they will just crack it in once. But now I'm being like, oh damn, FOMO. What have I ever done in my life? Where have all the knowledge I've gathered since 2 years gone? Like, seriously. My dog's here. Pixie! 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 You see, she's a dumb bitch, not me. So now, after all, I have to give my examination and probably crack it because that's what I should do. That's my duty. So here's what I will be doing right now. Like it's already being 12, so let's just. Well, these are my like PYQs. I'm going to go through all the PYQs and just revise it, my mistakes. And I know you will be like, Kashvi, where's your mistake book or mistake copy? Well, I didn't make one for the PYQs, especially. Actually, I made one for my Akash test. Yeah, I go to Akash coaching. So, like, I made one for my Akash test, the ITS, and all. But yeah, for PYQs, it's just done in these sheets. And the second thing is, I also like got this particular sheet for revision of biology, 11 and 12 both, like important points. So I will be reading this one, like rereading. And I got some of the papers here, like the sheets I made for my revision. Like this is a dimensional sheet. This is examples, no abbreviations. This one's examples for biology. This one's test to distinguish for chemistry. This one's exceptions in chemistry. Yeah, I made it kind of colorful because I was bored. Then we have name reactions, and then there's a mind map for chemistry. Like all these mind maps. I'm going to just revise them once again because they are kind of scoring. Oh, and that's it for my revision because I really can't think of anything else. I'm just going to go to formula for physics. Yeah, I made a sheet for that too, like concise formulas which are probably repeated most of the time. I saw these formulas while solving PYQs and mock papers, so I just mentioned them here. Like they are mostly repeated, and it's 75 formulas for 45 questions. Let's try our luck. I mean, mind luck. after I'm goddess of luck and catastrophe. These are for chemistry. We have organic chemistry. These two rows are for the physical, and this one is only for inorganic. We also have practical chemistry here because why not? That's also important. That's also scoring 4 marks each. There's no weightage for particular thing. Why not secure marks? After all this, I will be like showing you these. Like these are my documents I will be going to take to my center. Of course, that's all you need. I have like my Aadhaar card here, then I have my postcard size photo, I have my printed Aadhaar, I have my admit card here. Also, um, I've got my pics here, like the passport size ones. I don't know where they disappeared, but I have it in here. In here, yep, here they are. So I'm ready with this for today because it's already crossed 12. It's 12:05. Boo! So the fit is here. I'm going for a plain red half sleeve t-shirt because they don't allow any kind of prints on it. Also a pocketless pant, no pockets. I don't want to be side out during the frisking process, otherwise I would freeze in between and forget about everything and just go blank in my mind. Guess I will show you people something more. I made myself a silly little letter to read after neat, and it's kind of cute actually. It says after neat from myself to myself, and it kind of contains all the feelings I felt so far in my neat journey and whatever I have gone to, like the damn things to the supreme things, I guess. So I guess this is going to be in another video. Looks like someone can't sleep, huh? Well, it's currently 5 a.m. To be precise, it's 5:10 a.m. and I'm awake currently after sleeping probably 4 hours or 4.5 hours. Someone send help, please. Damn! I'm going to give my exam in a few hours. Few hours. You get it, people? I hope I I have the best accuracy at the examination hall. I get the best set where I know things and I could solve them. I know I have been disappeared into thin air for since a long time of years, but then, yep, I'm back. I guess if my examination goes perfect and I am in the range of getting a selection, I will probably start posting again, like with my dumb shit here. Anything as a content. I see a butterfly, that's a content.